What if I told you that every single image behind me right now was generated by an AI in under 6 seconds each? Welcome to Midjourney. Midjourney transformed AI image generation by giving everyday creators cinematic visual power. Here is an honest review of what it can actually do. Founded in 2022, Midjourney has grown rapidly through several major updates, each bringing its AI-generated graphics to new levels of quality and realism.
Midjourney V6 produces remarkably realistic images with extraordinary detail and consistency, often convincing at first glance as real photography.
Midjourney is only as powerful as your prompts. Mastering subject, lighting, style, technical settings, and detail is what separates beginner images from professional results.
From photorealism to anime, fashion, architecture, and concept art Cordy, Midjourney delivers professional quality results across an enormous range of visual styles.
Midjourney's real power comes from its parameters. Mastering aspect ratio, stylize, chaos, seeds, and prompt control turns good images into professional quality results.
The real Midjourney workflow is generate, vary, and upscale. Each step refines the image further, giving creators precise control over the final result.
The basic plan is built for casual use, while the standard plan offers enough generation power for creators producing content consistently every day.
But there is one Midjourney feature worth saving until now, Teo, because once you see it, your entire perspective on AI image generation changes.
Character reference in Midjourney V6 keeps identities visually consistent across different scenes and styles, opening new possibilities for professional creative projects.
From branding and advertising to sketches, product visualizations, and social media content, Midjourney delivers high-quality content across all content categories. Compared to DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, and Adobe Firefly, Midjourney stands out for its photorealism and artistic range. The Vary region feature lets you edit specific parts of an image, while Zoom Out naturally expands the scene beyond the original frame. I tested Midjourney through a real-world 30-day creative process spanning branding, content creation, and sketching to evaluate its effectiveness.
30 days of professional use allowed us to produce hundreds of images daily, at a significantly lower cost than traditional processing methods.
Text rendering can still be inconsistent, complex hand positions may not look perfect, and getting quality results requires real skill.
Midjourney's content creators are building a powerful learning ecosystem unmatched by any other AI-powered image editing platform. Niji mode is a specialized model designed for anime and illustrations that provides significantly higher quality results. Any image can be created in seconds. The question comes down to creativity itself. What makes human vision valuable when technical barriers disappear?
While images can be created in the process, human creators still provide meaning, direction, and purpose. Artificial intelligence removes technical limitations.
Midjourney works best when combined with tools like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, Figma, and Claude to create a complete professional production pipeline.
The Midjourney V6 sets the benchmark for AI-powered image generation, delivering exceptional visual quality, creative possibilities, and consistently professional results. The Midjourney link and beginner prompt guide are below. Start exploring today and create your first high-quality AI image in just minutes. A level of visual quality previously available only to elite creative professionals is now available to anyone at Midjourney in 2026.